Are you enjoying your rusk? Yes. And am I tickling your feet? Yeah. Do you want some juice? Yeah? You have to finish your rusk. There you go. Oh, you're giving it to the dog. You're not drinking that, are you? Have another go. It's because you still got rusk in your mouth. Look at those fatty wrists. Podjo. Okay. Podjo. Say no. Do 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 do. Let's drink some juice. Okay. Then. What's this? Rusk. Oh, for the dog. Okay, look, there's another bit. Yay, Thane. Yeah. Yeah, the dog got the other bit. It's because you're too busy looking at the dog. Oh, the dog's got another bit. Thane, I think the dog's going to be your friend. Okay. Thane, shall we wave goodbye? Shall we wave goodbye? Bye, everyone.